Hi, my name is Juliana Gomez. This is week 2, the assignment for the module of Industrial Revolution. And so I will be talking about how we've been impacted through the Industrial Revolution in that time and how we have the things that we have today, like technology, that we have housing, we have chairs, we have tables, we have different things. And so because of Industrial Revolution, we have what we see today. And so the different parts of the Industrial Revolution that John Green kind of mentions is that in 1750 and 1850, the Industrial Revolution really changed things in France, America, Latin America, and Haitian cultures. And so that's why we have electricity today. That's why we have different types of months. We have farming and agriculture in different areas like that. Education. We have our bed, our toilets. That's what else he mentioned, and I thought it was so funny when he said that. And that's why we have everything that we have now. So the percentage of farming back then that it is now, it's way different. And so back then it was 80% of the world's population was engaged in farming, and then 20% of the people were starving. And then in today's, in the United States, is 1% of people list their occupation as farming, which is so sad because we need good farmers. We want to use more organic and agricultural things. So I know that in some areas we are lacking in them in our farming type because I did farming for a while, and I know I never listed it as mine, and I probably won't be a farmer, but it's very much needed. Where did it start? It started in 1750, and it started in Europe, especially with Britain. John Green talks about the technological advances, and so in 1733, the increase in speed of weaving for yarn and different types of clothing is called the spinning jenny, which I thought it was cute. What a cute name it was. And so there was machine powered, and steam engineers came, and they were flying in shuttles, and some flying these huge cotton mills. And so that was part of the advantages of that John Green talked about. The Eurocentric, I believe that's how you say it, the reasoning of Industrial Revolution began in Britain. So this is when Europe, in the cultural area that it was in, it was basically that the Europe just felt better and smarter than other people. That was kind of mean of them, but they did. They thought that they were smarter and they were better, and so they thought they were superior, and so that's their Eurocentric. The Industrial Revolution and the signs of economic success was that China and India, they were both in this area. So, I'm sorry, let me rewind. The problem of egocentric is why it's in China and in India and in both. And so the question is which country had it? It was China and India. What two percentages did the British have over the Chinese? The first one was coal, and the second one was wages. So with coal, that was for transportation, communication, industrial effects. And then for the wages part, they had the highest wages in the 18th century. And so that's what made them continue to grow and make them more advantaged than everyone else. India produced some of British industrialization, and in the video it talks about how India had the lowest wages, but they had the cotton textiles, and how they continued to have the largest producing of cotton textiles, and the highest wages went to China. I mean, the British over China, and then India was the lowest wages, but they were producing more. And so that was basically it for the Industrial Revolution. But I thought it was very interesting of how it started, and how I don't think about it in my day-to-day that people fought for this and fought for the things that I have in my house, or even the school that I work at, or the education that we have, or how we're able to use tablets now and not back then. And so I think we're very privileged to have everything that we do now. And so I hope you like this video, and you followed along with me, and we continue to grow together. Have a good one.